Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today is Sunday. I hope you went to church today.
Yes.
I'm not talking to you. Don't talk. I just want to make my hair. It has been long I plait this hair, so I decided to make it today. And yeah, I am plaiting my hair. This place does not want to grow back. I don't know which kind of bad hair is this. Which type of bad hair is this? Just imagine. It doesn't want to grow back, although it's growing gradually, because there is difference between the last hair that I plait and this hair now. There is a huge difference. Can you see it? So as I was filming this video, my baby decided to interrupt. Like, shut up your dating mouth today, let me talk. My baby decided to interrupt, so I have to carry my tripod stand. And my baby is here. They are here disturbing me. Which kind these children will not
if I slap you.
So you're supposed to make this one to reach like this. Once I bring out my camera like this my children would like to come and show their face. I don't know whether I'm the one that have this channel or are they the one that have this channel. They don't know that I'm supposed to be giving them authority. Madam, say hi to them. They don't know she's my new hairdresser. They don't know that they're supposed to give their rights before they start showing their face. Like this small man here that is disturbing me. This my baby boy that is disturbing me. Don't want to show his face because he's not wearing clothes. And I go and write. Go and write. Go and wear your book. He's still disturbing me, so I have to raise it up. So guys, as I was saying before, hope you go to church today. Today is Sunday, and it's the last Sunday of this month, July, and I pray that this month of July shift. This month of July will favor us. Yes, it's remaining. How many months? How many days? Today is. I'm making use of this Brazilian wool. How many should I give you? Okay. I'm making use of Brazilian wool. But if you look at it from the video, you will not even believe that it's too cold. That it is Brazilian wool. You thought it's attachment. This is why I love it. You know how to speak English more than me. So, as I was saying before, hope you go to church today. The situation of the country now, you're supposed to be going to church, pray to God, ask God for favor. Because the way things is now, you're not supposed to stay without prayer. You're supposed to be praying. You're supposed to be prayerful, working hard and prayerful. Because even if you are praying very hard without working hard, it will not work. It will definitely not work. Abi? And if you are working hard and you are not praying at the same time, it will not work. Yes, these two things have to work at the same time. So make sure you go to work. Make sure you go to church on Sundays. Ask God for favor. Ask God for mercy. Because without His mercy, that is mercy. That is favor and nothing. Okay? So that is all I have to say today. Not today, just for now. See you later. The children is disturbing me at the background. I don't want to show their faces. Not every time they will be showing their face on my channel. So talk to you guys later. Papa, you can meet your daddy. My daddy is calling me. They did not want to give him. Come and show your face. Papa is crying. I'm sorry. You commit that side, you not run to this side. Jesus. I don't know why this said chop like this. I don't even understand. This said his hair was full before the thing started to small. So guys, I just finished plaiting my hair. How do you see the hair now? My sister was using it to learn how to make hair. Yeah, although she can plait, but not that really perfect. But instead of me to be carrying my hair like that, I just decided to do it this way, at least to look somehow beautiful. Although to me, I don't see this hair. I don't know. Although this is after 1 week that I finished making the hair. Yes, this is how it looks like. It's still good, but my hair is somehow stubborn. Can't you see how the front is? The hair just stand up there. Although those ones in the front is trying to grow back. Yes, that I think that is why the thing stand up. But anyhow, I still like it. I've been having some breakouts on my face, like all these small rashes. Let me hold my camera very well. All these small rashes here. I don't know. It has been long I've experienced this. The thing just started to come out again. I don't know what I'm going to use anyway. I'm afraid to use all these small creams for it because I don't want a situation whereby I will finish applying it on my face, and so I don't want a situation whereby I will put some cream on my face in order to erase all these small breakouts here, and my face will turn to another color. That is the color on my face will now be different from the color on my body. So I don't really like that. So that is why I decided to. So that is all. My baby is not feeling fine. It started yesterday. No, it started the day before yesterday. Being Saturday, and he's on medication anyway. Although it's just more fever, he's having temperature. I guess he's bringing out it. Maybe that is why he's having the temperature. And I guess, although I didn't see any teeth on his mouth, but I believe his teeth. And I'm giving him small. That is, I'm giving him what they call it, paracetamol, ibuprofen, and what they call it, baby rose for the teeth. But if it continues as from tomorrow, I'm going to take him back to his doctor. Yes, but I have to first of all give him small medication, and I'm going to stop today. I'm going to stop the medication today, and if it continues as from today, tomorrow, it's going back to General Hospital where I gave it to him to go and meet his doctor, because children's health, you can't just be, especially small babies, can't predict their this thing. I don't know how I'm going to put it. There's a way their sickness used to be. Sometimes you might be thinking that it's just simple, something that you can handle by yourself, but no, you have to go back to the doctor once you notice that there's no improvement, or have to go and meet the doctor straight under head, so that they will check the baby very well to know whether what you are treating, that is to know the exact thing that is disturbing them, and know the type of drug that they are going to give them, because it's not. That's why it's very important to meet the specialist, so that they know the type of medicine that you're going to give the baby, and know the measurement again that you are going to give the baby. So if it continues tomorrow, we are going to the hospital to go and meet the specialist too. That is to allow the specialist to handle it by themselves. Okay, so and my eyebrow, I wanted to carve this eyebrow like although there is no my eyebrow is not black, so I have to leave it like that. I wanted to touch it more, because there are some, all these YouTubers, when they finish applying the makeup, their face will be beautiful like. So I wanted to start my own by carving the eyelash and doing other things. But since my eyelash is not black and it's not bold again, so I'm going to leave it like that. Maybe I will start with applying makeup on my face to look beautiful. So I guess that is what I'm going to do. I will not shave the eyebrow. I'll just apply makeup on it like that. I want to learn how to apply this makeup so that, I don't know, my own will not be different. Even applying that is fixing eyelash, I want to start all those things, and then hopefully I'm going to be beautiful when I finish applying it. My children at the lesson here, so I realized that their beverage have reduced, so I need to pick one or two things at the nearby supermarket here to fill the remaining ones. So I decided to pick these few things, although what I bought are not much anyway. So I have to rush down inside the supermarket there to go and pick things. So I got Amazing Day Golden More. Yeah, I got this. This is one roll. I got it at the rate of 1,800. Then this Golden More, I got this at the rate of 2,200. So I bought the main original Golden More and this Amazing Day Golden Penny products. Amazing Day Golden More. So I bought this too, Checkers Milk Custard. Yeah, the other time that I bought it at the rate of 2,000. That is for one roll 2,000, the other roll 2,000. But this, I bought the two roll like this at the rate of 3,500 naira. That is like this. This two roll that is inside it, I got it at the rate of 3,500 naira. So the difference there is the difference of 500 naira, and it's much. It's a huge thing. So this is Dano milk. I still have milk here, but I decided to give this milk too because I love to add, once I prepare like 2 sachets of Golden More for my children because they don't take it much. They are not heavy eaters. Once I prepare 2 sachets of Golden More for my children, I normally eat sometimes 3, sometimes 4 for them. So that is why I get milk more for them. So I got this at the rate of 1,200 naira for one roll. So here is 2 roll here, and another 2 roll of milk. So then I decided to pick this milk for myself. They are not the only one that know how to eat. Me too. I used to eat as well. So I bought this milk for myself. I didn't buy plenty because my children don't like milk, don't like tea. I don't know why. Their mates love to take tea, but they don't really like tea, taking tea and milk. So I decided to pick this for myself. So this milk and the remaining milk that I have here is for Golden More. Although I still have Golden More, but I just decided to add some to the ones that I have. So this milk here is for their Golden More alone, and this and the other milk here for me. And these are the remaining Golden More. Like you see, it's from this one here. So that is the few things. So guys, it's a beautiful morning. Now it's after 7 and everywhere is bright light. So you can see my compound, everywhere is quiet. So I want to go and get soap. I want to wash my children's clothes. So, and the second day of their protest, nobody is outside, everywhere is dry like. So I want to look, I'm looking for where I will buy soap. No, days by this time people have come out, but almost to 8, nobody is outside. Everywhere is dry. Some shops that used to be open, everywhere is like as dry as let me go to this house and see if I can get 1 or 2 things there. I want to buy detergent. See how dry some places is. Where is dry. Oh, not even put. See, and up there. Some shops that is up there is not open. I don't know why. It's not up. It's only one person that have comes out. Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
They are still praying. They have not woke up. I wonder when someone have not woke up by this time of the day, like 8. The time is not even up to like 8. That's still sleepy. So I decided to go to the other woman there and get what I want to get because I need to wash clothes this early morning. Good morning there. So let me go and bring out the clothes and start the washing. So guys, could you imagine that now it's after 3 and I just finished washing the clothes that I started around that kind 7 o'clock. Journey of mother is not easy. It's not easy at all. Just at the process of washing, I just say let me give my children breakfast. Then after that time, it was around that kind to 12. I have to rush to make their afternoon food so that they won't disturb me much. Motherhood is not easy. Thank you for watching. Bye.